Looking for a light switch plate that combines durability with style? These polycarbonate thermoplastic plates are built to last. They resist bending, twisting, and heavy impacts, making them a reliable choice for both homes and businesses. What sets these plates apart is their heat and fade resistance. They can handle temperatures over 100 degrees without discoloring or fading, keeping your walls looking fresh for years. Plus, they carry UL94 V2 flammability rating, ensuring safety alongside durability. Installation is a breeze. Each plate comes with matching painted screws, so you get a seamless look right out of the box. The dimensions: 4.50 inches in height by 4.57 inches in length, fit standard wall switch configurations, and replacing your old plate takes just moments. The smooth finish and soft edges make cleaning effortless. No recessed lines to trap dust or grime, just a sleek surface that wipes clean quickly. This design detail not only enhances appearance but also helps maintain hygiene in busy spaces. Crafted from unbreakable polycarbonate, these plates withstand everyday wear and tear without cracking or breaking. Whether you're dealing with kids, pets, or heavy foot traffic, these covers hold up under pressure while keeping their modern look intact. If you want a quick upgrade that makes a noticeable difference, these switch plates are worth considering. They add a subtle, modern touch to any room, blending seamlessly with your decor while offering dependable protection. Top reviews from across the United States praise their durability and easy installation. Customers appreciate how these plates arrive on time and fit perfectly, making them a hassle-free choice for any project. If that's you, someone who values quality and convenience, these polycarbonate light switch plates are a smart pick. Try them when you're ready to refresh your space with a product designed to last and look great.